Hello, my name is Brian Hennedy. I'm the Sales Director, stroke Commercial Director for TPS Healthcare based in Scotland, supplying a range of medical, pharmaceutical consumables to the NHS customers and also in Scotland over 300 home renal dialysis patients. The company has been in existence for over 30 years. And we are a well-established supplier in Scotland. I'm responding to Anne Haddock's proposal in her assignment, whereby she has suggested the introduction or the development of an app that would help patients at home place orders directly on TPS for the various consumables that they require for home treatment, home dialysis treatment. Anne has probably explained the current process whereby our TPS's customer service team have to contact each patient individually and work through a list of identified products that the consultant nephrologist has suggested that would be suitable for that patient. To determine the next delivery of stock on the due date. This has cost consequences for the organisation, having to make contact with this very vulnerable patient group. Some may be working, some may not be working, some may be confined to home. But in any event, we do have to make contact with them to determine their requirements. The idea of an app is one that does have some merit. It would certainly allow the patient to contact directly the company to advise the products they require to have delivered. These products would be determined and agreed beforehand with the various health boards. The level of stock would have a maximum, minimum level, which could be checked against the consumption, and it certainly would allow a much speedier process whereby, again, as I say, the patient is contacting us directly. There are several issues which would cause me some concern, but I think these can be overcome, principally around the security of the information. Patient prescriptions, by their very nature, carry a high degree of control over who sees, who signs, who actions. The benefit to the company would certainly be a huge increase in time saved making contact, then processing the orders, because I would assume that the orders coming in from the patient could be transmitted through EDI straight into our ordering system. So there would be a degree of the high degree of IT input required, but certainly in so far as I know that other companies are looking at developing software to make this whole process of customer services dealing with patients at home much speedier, much more accurate. It's certainly worth further investigation. From the company point of view, we are certainly looking at developing much more by way of electronic trading, and for all the obvious reasons, speed of transmission, accuracy, and even invoicing from a finance point of view. We can turn around an electronic invoice which matches the electronic order. We have some pilot sites underway, but this is the future, there's no doubt about it. Patients are certainly becoming much more savvy in the use of their iPads, iPhones, internet, to place orders through the internet. The whole way of trading is definitely going down this e-trading route, and the health sector shouldn't be any different. Again, I think it does carry merit, and should something be developed, we would certainly embrace it. Again, down to the finances, it has to be cost effective. It has to be seen to be adding much benefit to the organisation. So in essence, I think Anne's suggestion does have a lot of merit. It needs further investigation, but I'm sure we can have a look at it and make a decision as to, is it something we can do, something someone else can do for us, etc., etc. So I hope that helps. Thank you, and goodbye. Thank you.